When writing a long article, we may find the content of it may be related to each other. Take this paper as an example. The content of the first heading in the text is quoted in the summary part. It will take us a lot of time to scroll the page with the mouse to find the heading. If we use the cross-reference feature, we can quickly jump to the referenced location. First, click the place where we want to use the cross-reference feature. Click the Cross-Reference button in the Reference tab. Then a dialog box will pop up. In Reference Type, we can choose according to our needs. Here we take Heading as an example. At For Which Heading, we can select the title to be quoted and click on the first title, Media Literacy. Select the displayed text of the reference in Insert Reference To. Here we take Head Text as an example. After Settings, click the Insert button. Now the title has been successfully inserted. Press and hold the Control key, then we can see the icon of the mouse cursor has turned into a finger. Click on the quoted title, then we can quickly jump to the referenced location.